In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Powered by Shopify tags, which is usually visible in the footer section of your Shopify store. So at first, let's log into Shopify admin account, then select Online Store. Now locate your current theme, in my case is Dawn, then select three dots, then click on Edit Code. Within the code editor, top left corner in the filter, type the following, footer.liquid. Under Sections folder, look for the file footer.liquid. Let's open it. Now place the cursor in the code editor, then press Ctrl F on keyboard and find field type powered _by link, and then press enter. Now look for the line of code which contains the Powered by link tag. In my case, it's located on line 305. Let's go ahead and comment it out. For that, just simply add some space above, open left curly brace, then add %, inside type comment. Now copy this tag, then add some space under the code, paste it right in here, and instead of comment, just type and comment. As you can see, it will comment out the part of code which contains the Powered by link tag. Now let's save the changes. Then let's go back to the website. Let's try refreshing the home page. Let me scroll all the way to the bottom. And as you can see, the Powered by Shopify link is no longer visible and will apply to desktop and mobile versions of the site. So as usual, I hope you found the short video useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.